Although veteran skeet shooter Mehraj Ahmed Khan didn't make the cut in the men's skeet final at the ongoing ISSF World Cup in Delhi, he assured that he didn't want to make any mistakes in the much-awaited Tokyo Olympics. Mehraj has already won the Olympic quota at the 2019 Asian Championship. He was the first Indian skeet shooter to compete in the Rio Olympics 2016.
This is also a preparation competition for me, and I think after Egypt the competition feeling is coming back into our system, because from long time, from last national in November 2019, haven't shot any competition, so the feeling was not there. But slowly we are coming in the competition groove, and preparation is going good. You can see the results are as good as the international results. I just missed the final by in the shoot off, so I think it's a good preparation. We are on the right track. I think there are 2-3 things which I'm really focusing nowadays is sports nutrition and my physical fitness, and especially the equipment, because when you go for a competition like Olympic Games, you need to be 100% from every aspect, so I don't want to leave any loophole in my training or in my approach to go in the Olympic Games, because last time I have made small mistakes which I don't want to make in this Olympic Games, so I'm working on that. This lockdown, after almost 20 years, I have spent a lot of time with my family, with my mother, with my father, with my brothers. So we were all together, and thankfully it was Ramadan also in the last lockdown. So I have all my Ramadan in my home peacefully. So I'm very happy for this, that I have spent a lot of time with my family in last 2 decades, But still, I was doing dry training, and my physical training was on all over in the lockdown. Yeah, basically it's an individual sport, and in the end you have to train alone and you have to shoot alone in the station. So it's always good that you have a training partner, but mostly in Delhi range I trained alone, because Angad is not from Delhi, and a lot of shooters are not from Delhi, they are from Punjab, so the top shooters which we have. But thankfully we have made this Olympic core group, so we have Gurjot also added, and Shiraz also added, and Angad. So we have 4 shooters, and training was going very smooth. We have prepared very well for this competition, and this is our home range, and we did good, but we could do little much better, We have to be on the podium this time, but unfortunately we missed the cut. But next time, inshallah. No, it's basically for everyone. No competition for everyone, not for me only. So our sport is this, that when you go in the competition or when you go for the training, you have to prepare like this, that everybody is come from the same situation, same lockdown. So you have to do physical fitness, you have to do a lot of dry training, you have to do a lot of visual exercises, like a routine exercises, and this will help you.